Hey, what's up you guys? It's Zach with PCBros, and today I have got a great upgradable option for those looking to get into PC gaming this year. So let's get right into it and break it down.
Introducing the Upgrade Path Pro from PCBros. The Upgrade Path Pro is a big step up from the Upgrade Path Starter. Featuring the Ryzen 5 8600G with integrated Radeon graphics, this system delivers a strong balance of performance, speed, and graphics, making it ideal for both esports gaming and entry-level AAA gaming. The Upgrade Path series is designed for gamers who want a solid foundation with room to grow. So let's dive into the specs of the Upgrade Path Pro. We'll go through each component so you can get a full breakdown of what the system comes with. Let's start with the brain of the build, the CPU. The Upgrade Path Pro comes with the Ryzen 5 8600G, a 6-core 12-thread processor that provides the power needed for both gaming and multitasking. With its AMD Radeon 760M graphics, this CPU is created with gamers in mind. Out of the box, you can expect pretty impressive performance even without a dedicated GPU. More on the benchmarks later. Let's talk about how this CPU stays nice and cool even when gaming. The Wraith Stealth Stock Cooler is a reliable and efficient cooling solution straight from AMD. Designed to keep your 8600G running cool under load, it features a low-profile design, making it ideal for compact builds, while its quiet operation ensures that your gaming or work sessions aren't interrupted by noisy fans. Next, we're looking at 32 gigabytes of RAM. That's 2 sticks of 16 gigabytes running at high speeds, ensuring your system is ready for anything you throw at it. This amount of memory is perfect for the more demanding games out there today. And of course, it looks great with those RGB lights. For storage, the Upgrade Path Pro comes with a 512 gigabyte NVMe M.2 SSD. These drives are known for their blazing fast read and write speeds, which means your games will load in a flash and boot times will be nearly instant. If you ever need more storage, there's room to expand, but this 512 gigabyte NVMe is a fantastic start for gaming and everyday use. For the motherboard, we've got the B650M. This is a rock-solid platform that supports high-speed memory, AM5 processors, and future upgrades. Whether you're looking to install more RAM or even throw a higher-end GPU later, the B650M has you covered with all the connections and features you need. Powering this PC, we have a 650-watt 80+ gold power supply. This delivers efficient power to your components, ensuring your system runs smoothly without wasting energy. The gold rating means it's super efficient, reducing heat and keeping your system cooler, which is perfect for gamers who want reliability and performance. Now let's talk about the case, the Apevia Prodigy. This stylish case comes with 3 pre-installed RGB fans, not only keeping your components cool, but also making sure your build looks amazing as well. With those RGB fans, you'll have customizable lighting options to give your rig a personalized touch while maintaining great airflow. So now that we've broken down the specs, let's hop onto the PCBros website and check out the Upgrade Path Pro listing. I'll show you how easy it is to customize this rig to suit your needs, plus go over some of the great perks that this PC comes with, like a full warranty and free shipping. Customizing your Upgrade Path Pro is super easy and can be done right on the website before placing your order. For the Upgrade Path Pro, we offer 2 customization options to enhance your setup. First, we can upgrade the storage by selecting a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD, giving you almost twice the space for your games, files, and media without sacrificing speed. Second, if you're after a different aesthetic, you can choose the sleek white Apevia Prodigy case, which adds a clean, modern look to your build while still featuring the same RGB fans and airflow as the standard case. Once you've made your selections, just add the PC to your cart and you're good to go. We handle the rest, including testing, installing Windows, and ensuring your drivers are ready, so when your PC arrives fully built, you are ready to go out of the box. Our staple builds, like the Upgrade Path Pro, also come with free shipping and a 1-year full warranty. So you can have your new gaming rig delivered straight to your door without any extra costs, and we also want you to have peace of mind knowing your gaming experience is going to be covered hassle-free. Now that we've covered the specs and customization options of the Upgrade Path Pro, it's time to see how this rig performs. Let's jump into the benchmark section and see how it handles some of the most popular games out there. The first game we're putting to the test is one of the most demanding titles out there today, Cyberpunk 2077. This game is notorious for pushing systems to their limits, and we're running it on low settings at 1080p to see how the Ryzen 5 8600G handles it with integrated graphics. Even on low settings, Cyberpunk 2077 still looks great, and the 8600G manages to keep up with smooth gameplay and consistent frames, averaging about 40 FPS. Next up, we tested Call of Duty on the DMZ mode. A game known for its fast-paced action and demanding graphics, we tested it at 1080p on normal settings, and the results were pretty impressive. For a system running on integrated graphics, the Upgrade Path Pro handles Call of Duty DMZ surprisingly well. You can dive into competitive matches without worrying about stuttering or frame drops, showing just how capable this APU really is. Now let's take things to the next level by adding a high-end GPU to the Upgrade Path Pro. We paired the Ryzen 8600G with the RTX 4060 Ti. And the results were nothing short of impressive. With this combination, we were ready to tackle even the most demanding games at higher settings, even in 1440p. With the RTX 4060 Ti and the Ryzen 8600G working together, we were able to average around 70 FPS at 1440p high settings. That's some serious performance for a game like this. So if you're looking to play a visually stunning game like Cyberpunk 2077 at 1440p high settings, pairing the Upgrade Path Pro with the RTX 4060 Ti is a fantastic choice. With consistently being around 70 FPS, you'll get both great visuals and performance, ensuring you're fully immersed in the game. For our final benchmark, we tested Call of Duty Warzone, a game known for its fast-paced action and high demand on both the CPU and GPU. Running at 1440p on balanced settings, the Upgrade Path Pro paired with the RTX 4060 Ti delivered an impressive performance, staying well over 100 frames per second through all the matches. And that wraps up our look at the Upgrade Path Pro. With its impressive specs, customizable options, and outstanding performance, especially when paired with the GPU, this gaming PC is perfect for both casual gamers and serious enthusiasts alike. If you're ready to take your gaming experience to the next level, be sure to check out our website, PCBros.tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more reviews and gaming content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.